Right, in this video we're going to look at Kirchhoff's first law. So this is one of the two laws that you need to be well aware of at AS level, about circuits, and it's the first law is to do with current. Okay, now pretty much you could summarize both of the laws as what you get in, so what you put in is what you get out. So it's what you get out. Now actually that is the same for both Kirchhoff's laws, but this works very well in Kirchhoff's first law. So in Kirchhoff's first law, it's all about current. And since it's all about current, we look at current from the perspective as branches and junctions. So in true Kirchhoff's first law, it's all about conservation of charge. So we need to have conservation of charge. So that's why Kirchhoff's first law works, because you're conserving charge in an amount of time. So if we imagine, quite simply, that we've got a current flowing into a junction. Remember, current is an amount of charge per unit time. So this is conservation of charge. So charge per unit time. So if we've got a current of 4 amps flowing into a junction, and let's say, for example, we've got 3 amps going out that way, then you would expect 1 amp to be going out there. Now, what you're expecting here is quite nicely is what you put in is what you get out. So what I'm putting in is 4 amps, and what I'm getting out is 4 amps. Okay, what I'm getting out is 4 amps. Sorry, that went a bit awry there. So that's a nice simple example. Now obviously you need to bear in mind that it can be taken from a different perspective. And you can say that, okay, say we've got a very similar situation again, and say we've got 2 branches. We've got one with 4 amps, one with 2 amps. So we'd be expecting, if we've got total of 6 amps out, then we'd expect 6 amps in. And that's nice and easy. So what about this one then? In this case, we've got 2 currents going in, 3 currents going out. So 3, 2, 4, and 6. So if we look here, we can see, okay, well, I've got a total going in of 10. So so far I've got just 5. So my missing number should be 5 amps. Okay, because what you put in is what you get out. And that is always the case. And that essentially, in simplistic form, is Kirchhoff's first law. What you put in is what you get out at every junction. Okay, so in class we'll look at more advanced and more difficult examples of this, just to give you some more practice, and we'll do some circuits to prove it as well.